and I am here with my guest, guys. And this is how you make a cute cat video. Step 1, you get catnip. Well, step 2, turn on the faucet. Not a lot, and you have to make sure your cat likes water. And you don't need step 1, which is catnip. If your cat likes water and he likes to follow you. You kind of want to turn on the faucet a little, like that, and turn it over like that, unless you have a weird type of faucet that won't move. And then you bring your cat over here. Okay, guys. So you grab the catnip.
You take a little wet.
I know.
You put it in the bag.
It's already
Like up in the bag and let it slip and shot.
Okay. I have an instructor telling me how to handle catnip really well. I'll first sniff it, okay, and then okay. Okay.
Good luck, Colin.
Sniff it. Just let him in just the bag. Okay. God! I know, hang on, you want it? God! He's already in sync. Let's cross the dangerous river, guys. Okay, let's bring him back over here. Action. You wanna grab some catnip. Just a little bit. Put it in your hand right here. See, I'll show you how much I have. About that much. You wanna get the cat to smell it, really smell it. And then what you kind of want to do is, you want to put it on top. Just on top of your faucet, like that. You get it in the sink and stuff everywhere. And then take the cat. Look. Okay. Alright, smell like catnip. Kind of like cat drugs. Okay. It guides you. See that? Ooh. Okay, make sure the cat can see it. And just kind of slide him over so small. Okay, never mind, unless your cat's like... Oh gosh, the camera! Okay. No. Go. I am whispering to you. It's your destiny. You want the cat? Oh my god. Where's the catnip? Wait, where's the catnip? Oh, there it is. You want the catnip that bad, do you? You want it? Sniff it up! No! Yes. Oh god. Kit Kat's video gone wrong. Well, that's really bad. But let's get some of this up before he ingests too much. Okay, let's get an aerial view. Yeah, let's just let him Oh god. Okay, that's good. Okay, got it. Oh no, this is bad. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna grab a lot. If this ever happens, which it probably won't, lead him over. Oh no. Okay. Oh, I need to grab a broom. Shouldn't happen. We'll be tricked by the blind man after your drunk stuff. You are drunk. Okay? You shall not pass! Yeah, maybe you can. You need to move! Ah! Just kind of get it all in there. Doesn't matter if you were on the floor. Still love it. Come on. This is why I don't make much cat videos right here. Oh my gosh. God. Yeah, you're drunk. Guy, you're drunk. God. Cat video gone down. You want to know why I haven't made one earlier? Gosh. He's licking it off his hands. Okay, let's get the rest back in that bag of catnip. Kind of shoving it all to the side. I'll get it in while you watch him. Eat some of it. Hopefully try to go after him. I don't think it will. I don't see it. Ah, wonderful. God, he fell over. Oh, what are we going to do with you, Scott? Here. Just look at this. This is insane. I was going to make a cat video. Wow. I didn't really not expect that.
What happened?
Some of it fell, and then I got it all over there. Grabbed it, picked some up, and put it back in the bag. Whoa! And then, yeah. Well, let's see the result of Sky. Let's give my instructor of how to handle catnip and cats told me to give him some meat to sober him up from the, I don't know, the weird stuff. Okay. Put it back on. Okay. Do you like my peace offering, my peace treating? Okay. Hopefully this will fix him up. Maybe. He's just eating it so slow. Maybe like put his secret stash of catnip on there to flavor it. God. Look at this, all over his bum. It's all over him too. Okay, no, Cody, don't interfere with Sky's drunkenness. Oh gosh, Cody. too many animals. Yeah, a little bit every time. Don't go crazy at the top. Let's see the results and document them, guys. Let's see where he goes, and maybe we'll find a big stash. He's just standing still. Okay, well, I hope you guys like and subscribe to the video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Goodbye!